I knew I couldn't do it, but that didn't stop me from dreaming of the cottage core beams of my dreams. So I called in reinforcement from my dad, who used to be a contractor, and together we built the beams. We started by measuring the width of my ceiling and cutting all the 1x6 and 2x6s down to size. We then started to hand distress all the 1x6s using a crimp wire wheel, an axe, and a hammer. I'm not gonna lie, it felt so aggressive. I then went on to stain all of the 1x6s using this water-based stain. Using a clamp, we pre-built all of the beams before hanging them. It was then a literal family affair putting up all the 2x6 cleats on the ceiling. Once the cleats were all screwed into a stud, we put the beams around them and screwed them in. It changed the whole look of my house, and I'm obsessed. Do you think it made the room better, or did it make it too cluttered?